Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be looking at Chainlink and its valuations against Bitcoin and the US dollar. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Well, last week was pretty phenomenal for Chainlink, I think. We were able to move up 34% on the week and move up to a high of $35. Chainlink is now in the in the lower 30s, currently trading at $33.63, much higher than when we were moving on around $13. How far have we come? Even when we take into account that it wicked down to $8, $7, a pretty monumental feat nonetheless. With Chainlink against Bitcoin, not the same story, but similar, where we have broken through the 20 week and we have rallied. And what is happening right now? Even with the wick that we saw yesterday, which resulted in a pretty bad correction, but we've rallied back. We're up 3.5% against Bitcoin. And when we look on the weekly, what do we see? We see that Chainlink is hugging the 20 week. Okay, it's hugging the 20 week. And when we look at the 20 week in the past, it has acted as support. Pretty decent support every single time. It gets near it or bounces off of it, we see Chainlink rally. Okay, contact at the 20-week rally, contact rally. This is and right now we're being treated as resistance, so we are currently being held down by the 20 week. This I think is a good situation to be in. You know, we're not far away from the 20 week, we're actually right onto it, and I think it's just a matter of time until this breaks, and when it does, I think that's probably when Chainlink will become exciting again, if you want to call it that, for anyone who is bored of Chainlink. Uh, I think this is great. I think the rally it's had already is pretty phenomenal. Looking at how at its highest point it almost doubled in valuation against Bitcoin. Currently, it's at 72%. Um, I would say impressive. With that said, uh, time will tell. I mean, if Bitcoin gives us another, like, if Bitcoin continues to play this game of sucking up liquidity every 2 days, 3 days when it's in price discovery mode, then it's going to be a monumental task for Chainlink to break through the 20 week, and which is probably why when we look here, the past weeks, Chainlink has been hugging the 20 week. It's around the same amount of time for Bitcoin being Bitcoin and trying to hit new all-time highs and sucking up all that liquidity. You could say this probably the same thing about Ethereum. Ethereum has been trending down week over week for the past 4 weeks, and it's due to the fact that Bitcoin is pushing new all-time highs. It's currently at 47,000, made a new high of plus 49,000. So when everyone sees Bitcoin making new all-time highs, that's where they want to throw their money in. And then when it's not making all-time highs anymore and it's kind of just like what it's doing right now, going down, you start to see altcoins start gaining back some of that liquidity. So we see Chainlink now 4% up. Um, Ethereum's up 1.5%. Cardano's up 5.5% against Bitcoin. So we're kind of seeing that now. We'll see what happens the rest of the day, and for the rest of the week. It's the start of the week, and it'll be interesting to see what will play out. It might be more of the same, where we see altcoins start moving through the week, and then um, periodically this week and over the weekend, we see Bitcoin move, resulting in altcoins to bleed. Um, but all we have is time, I think, and time is our friend right now. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.